emails again yesterday. I said, guys, can you know what's Larry's story here?
It's something that you'll get used to. So look at the camera and just think it out.
You need some Arab music.
The moment you think you are good enough is the beginning of your decline. What? That t-shirt. Oh!
I know, I was just playing.
Hey, my name is Andre, and this is the first day of the rest of my life.
Y'all know shit about West Side, nigga.
What episode is this?
MicroWave 49.
MicroWave 49, guys.
MicroWave Boys
MicroWave 49.
Must sit here,
Yeah. Sit there.
And then I must, you said I must look at
Laughing. Louder.
Apparently there's 49 MicroWave Boys, so this is the episode.
What?
Yeah. Other way around.
The MicroWave Boys episode, what? 49. It's a big one.
I am Shama. Sometimes you call me Shama. And this is MicroWave Boys episode 49. Meant to give me a...
Get it.
Oh, dude, you need to throw better.
Safa zonke, but I want MicroWave Boys. Towards.
Hey! Ooh! That girls that want you to be like, Faga, I like how you laugh. You know what you want? You want the dumplings in their mouth.
Hey.
Sometimes you want to just really like how he lost. Yeah, also sometimes you just want that long time.
Okay, guys, welcome to it. Another week, you know how it is. Still back in it to win it. This is episode 49. It's a big one. You know why?
Because we are episode closer to 40.
Yes! You got it up.
So proud, I think that's boys or what?
Yeah, you know.
I guess the Nike.
Hey, what are you wearing?
Yeah.
Just throwing on brand names. Hey, can you play this or something? MicroWave Boys, it's a big one. It's just before episode 50. Shout out to everyone that's supported us so far. We're about to get in it. Episode 49. Let's hit it with it.
Ready today, in case I live over in.
Yes, you're looking sexy. Look at those sexy legs. Look at these sexy legs, guys.
Oh my god.
You guys thought he was funny,
look.
but did you know?
Wait, I can't say look.
But look at that. Okay, so where you gonna start, bro? You tell me where you wanna start.
Yeah, tell us.
You know what? I'm gonna start with my old man. Since my life is currently under threat, I decided, you know, shit. If I die, I die. So I'm already.
He goes out.
I'm already in it to win it. But if you guys don't know, our deputy president.
the name that we refuse to mention.
He had his first Q&A in
you know that guy, the guy who said it's Baltimore, the one you can't just say his name.
Our deputy president.
Okay.
David Mabuza had his first Q&A in Parliament. And these guys were asking him real questions. This guy was asking this question. It's almost like he was sent by me.
Yeah.
Just play the short clip there, please.
What you're saying, that's casting aspersion on the member. What do you mean? So you withdraw that? No,
look at Mabuza's face right there.
I'm not casting an aspersion, it's true. Oh no, remember you are West. You are West than I thought. You withdraw that remark, ask your question and not sit down. Deputy Speaker, I don't know between you and me who's West. Because what do you mean I'm waiting for the member?
Between me and you was where?
Mabuza gave that face like back where I come from. You do this whole Parliament thing. It's like, this is not how I deal with things. With disrespect. No, where I come from. Night, nigga.
What did they actually ask him?
That guy was accusing him of being a liar. He's like, well, my man, you're not the right guy to be president.
Yeah.
You know what you've done back there.
Yeah, you know.
Like, what have I done? Nah, but you know.
You know.
So they're telling him, you can't just come and say people have done things that they haven't done.
Yeah.
What has he done? He's like, no, he knows what he's done.
Yeah.
But as you can see from the reaction that guy is giving, he's saying,
he's like, yo, this is if I coach you outside the door.
It's like, say it to my face outside Parliament.
Yeah.
We're never gonna see that guy again. That guy was asking the question. That was only his last meeting in Parliament.
Yeah, that was. Yeah, the guy. Someone must check up on him now.
Next week is gonna get flu. The week after that is gonna be listeriosis, and then that's it.
Yeah, someone must check up on him immediately. Someone must make sure everything's fine. He must make sure only one person is dishing out his food, one person is cooking his food, because it's about to get real late.
That's all it takes. Just the one.
It's about to get Kali. I watch Scandal, bruh. I watch Scandal, bruh. That guy doesn't look like he's ready to deal with things in a very civil matter. He looks angry, like real anger, like. Why are you questioning me?
That guy is not okay. Like, give that not away like,
Have you ever asked your parents something in public that you're not supposed to ask?
Then they just go.
No.
Oh, simple.
they touch you and say, oh, my baby. Oh, my baby.
Hey. You know, but also black parents are weird. Then they tell you to go fetch your belt.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, simple, that belt.
Hey, which belt you must find for me? The purple one.
Yeah,
a purple lane. Yeah, just go and fetch that one. I want to see something.
That's the look he gave me. Like,
no walk is longer than the fetch the belt walk. So you walk like this. I said, when was the last time?
Where did you get? And why are they pitching syllables on there? Where did you get to the house? Other people that have been beaten by life, not by belts, but penis. Blac Chyna as a new man. Wow! You know what? Blac Chyna stays getting dick slapped, bro. Like Blac Chyna's like, you know, even recently, Swaley's girlfriend walked in on Blac Chyna giving Swaley head.
Is that a real story? I saw that. I saw the picture.
And she can barely give head.
Guys, Blac Chyna is hell-bent on breaking homes. And breaking men. Why do they keep having sex with Blac Chyna? There's so many girls.
Is this Blac Chyna's new man?
Oh shit.
He's a retard.
Blac Chyna and fucking Team Z just hopped out.
What?
Hey, hey.
How old is this boy?
I see Blac Chyna. I was searching on Christian Mingle and shit, and I seen her profile pop up. And I'm like, this bitch fire. I just fucked the bitch out. Christian Mingle. So I slid her Christian Mingle messages. Of course, she responded to my email.
See that? He's looking at the basketball
Christian Mingle. It was up from there.
This is
a time.
She doesn't have a time. I'm not time. Kill last man standing. She has no time. Blac Chyna will do whatever. When it comes to Mzansi, we're all staying at the club going, look at Blac Chyna. Blac Chyna, we know.
But everyone knows the last man standing, and you know.
She's the last man standing.
You know your last man standing. You know
whatever.
Whenever, wherever, however.
The son was doing it though. This guy is lying. That kid is telling the entire truth. Only the truth. That is Blac Chyna's time. Because Blac Chyna has no time. Blac Chyna, come on, baby. No, let me pay for this 2 piece. Don't worry, I got you, don't worry. I'm getting out of mine.
Yeah.
Blac Chyna.
Yeah.
Blac Chyna get out of mine. That's who she is. Out of my girl.
Okay, let's go to my house. Okay, we're going out tonight.
Okay, Raga.
Okay, can we go to my room?
Okay.
Can all of us be there?
Okay, sure. How do we come to the room right now? Alright. Where we at now? UKZN. Oh shit, yes.
Guys, what's going on there, man? UKZN.
Hey man, every single video that drops of UKZN. You're weird as shit. All I want to know is what language they're speaking down there. It's like Zulu English, Zunglish.
Zunglish?
Yeah, they're speaking Zunglish.
Yo, what is that saying? What is she saying? Yo. I only heard this last year. What? Obviously she's on drugs.
Why does everyone sound like DJ Tira and never?
Why does everyone sound like what?
Like DJ Tira.
Nice to be here.
I got to be gay. I'm from Tekman.
Yo. Yeah, but wait, what did you hear her say? What do you think she's trying to say?
All I heard is nice to be here.
Yeah, I just said it's nice to. And you know, there's another girl.
How are you getting through school?
There was another girl like 2 weeks ago.
I'm worried about academics.
They asked the other girl, she said, yeah, you know, he said, the guy's like, yeah, we here at UKZN, we're doing the most, what. And they asked this girl. She was just like,
hey, girl number 2.
I know she dribbled it.
I don't know what's going on in UKZN, but clearly.
It's nice to be here, guys.
It's nice to be here.
Those parties, those campus parties.
Yeah, boy. Yo,
it's shaking.
Look at the guy in the back, boy. There's a guy in the red. Look at the guy in the back, boy.
It's shaking.
Talking about other slow ass people. Nico Matala's back at it again.
That was slam dunk. Slam dunk. Guys,
you know, I think I'm tired. This is the last time I'm going to speak about Nico Matala because maybe he's starting to enjoy this.
He's really enjoying it.
Because there's no way this guy is just living his life this dumb. It's impossible. It makes no sense to me.
Sometimes these things happen.
Yeah. You said it.
This week in Nico Matala's live.
Yes.
Guys, there's a song that I really love. That song is like dope, you know. This girl was singing this song. She's like, whoa. I want to sing the song for you guys. I don't know the tune, I don't know the release of it, but I gotta tell you, I love the sound. It goes like this. Oh, my God, turns on me. Turns on me.
What the fuck is going on here?
Turns on. That's what turns on me. Turns on me.
Let's lose that in this guys. We have to lose.
We're gonna like the answer.
Holy shit, did you just decode that song? I thought he was joking. Is it really? Are you just joking?
Yeah, I think it's gonna say, wait.
Wait, God Tim's have songs with words in them.
I thought they only like flute.
How much money flute do you
No,
I can't take those guys seriously. Those guys suck, dog.
Yo, yeah, what is going through a breakout, dog?
Those guys suck, bro. No, I can't believe those guys did that real thing. Those guys are playing like the recorder in school.
Do you remember the choreography?
I used to do it.
It's like a choreography,
I can't believe women gave them sex.
What did they?
No. I think Kanye Bao was in there, like, yeah.
That's all it takes, a flute. Kanye, I can play next time Kanye walks back. So, I guess we're dating now.
All you take is a flute.
I think she's listening. Pied Piper.
You guys are married now.
No, but they were international.
Oh my God.
No, but you must understand, those guys are actually international. They used to tour. No, they used to tour and stuff, bro. They were a big deal.
To like Lesotho and everything.
No, internationally. No, like
They go to far away places.
They went to like Europe. I think they stayed in Europe for a few years.
There was a glitch in the Matrix.
No, they did the thing. And they used to have all the outfits, you know?
I don't go to imagine though in the UK, we don't know what the reception was like when they got there. People were like, what the fuck?
Oh, you can say I was in. You're Larry touring Europe, but we don't know if people like it. Okay, speaking of which, their music is absolute torture. Speaking about who is not getting tortured, is the people in Norway.
This is a prison.
Yeah, thank you. There's a prison in Norway. By the way, guys, no real talk. There's a new, no way. There's no way. There's a no way. Guys, apparently
we're excited to show us around.
You can't wear your shoes in there because you don't want to mess up the carpet, my nigga. The carpet. Yo, my nigga, this guy, look at his room, boy. It's big. There's a TV, you got your TV, my nigga, my TV, my DVD.
My living is
He's like, yeah, my computer, my nigga, my closet, my nigga. You know what I mean? He says, check out my closet. Yo, I got my own sheets, my nigga. You know what I mean?
And this guy's swagged out, jacket.
Yeah. He's like, how's the bed? He's like, yo, comfortable, my nigga, sit down, get comfortable. Yeah.
Wait, what crime did these guys commit?
Wakanda.
Wait. Wakanda.
Wait.
Yo.
I wanna comment this.
How amazing
This is for drug trafficking, by the way.
What kind of
actual crime?
This guy's got a washing machine. Do you have a washing machine?
Crimes.
I need
He's got a dryer
to do this crime.
Look at the shower. Look at brand new, my nigga. It even says boom.
Heated
floors, my nigga.
What?
Guys, what crimes they commit?
But imagine this happened in South Africa. Crime rates going up. Good ladies.
A whole community.
Yeah, everyone is drunk.
I'm slapping niggas. Take me. Take me.
Heated floors. You say.
I just watch the news, find crimes, and be like, that's me.
They've got a band, an active studio, a live studio where you can record music.
The guy's a TV and I don't even have a TV.
When they're announcing in court, and we find the defendant guilty. Yes, I knew I did it. I knew I did it. I told you niggas. I told you niggas. I told you I did that shit. Didn't I tell you I moved those drugs? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you I moved those drugs? Nigga, what the judge say? What did the judge say? Guilty, nigga. I'm going to fucking jail. Who's going to jail? I'm going to jail.
Back on the chain gang.
Can you visit? No. You know the found so scary as well. They got chefs, like a legit chef as well, and they're allowed to cook. They got cooking school, and they use real knives.
This prison is a tree.
The prisoners are using real knives. Like
I mean, they've got everything else. I'm sure those knives wouldn't be where they draw the line. I'm sure these guys have internet. I'm sure they have Facebook.
They can bring girls over, I'm sure.
Boring day. Must check their Twitter. I'm sure they got Twitter account.
It's got a computer. What do you think the computer's for? Yeah,
boring day at the pen. At the pen today. Not much going on, you know. New niggas you're all through.
Tweets from jail. Shit, nearly dropped the soap.
Close one.
It's not a hashtag. It's not a hashtag, right?
Hashtag tweets from jail.
Give us your best tweets. Hashtag MicroWave Boys. Hashtag tweets from jail.
I'm in solitary confinement this week. Oh. Can't watch DSTV catch up. I'm on punishment this week. Hashtag the warden's a bitch, nigga. At him. You a bitch. Say it to my face. Skill lift and roll bounce are both men's, and we're going to.
Yeah. Whoa!
Definitely too far. Shit.
Whoa, what are you? Oh, it's broken. Holy shit, guys. What are you shooting?
Oh, there's a whole.
Oh, no, jump!
Oh my god!
Why did you make the sentence? It's so tough! Jump!
Jump! And this guy's still recording him.
I'm not jumping now, boy. No, not today. Not today, boy. Then going down like that. And this is why black people go to wombats. Not this shit. Ah, boy. I think wombats, stick to it. Sun City wombats. That slide at Sun City is as far as the niggas go.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. That's it.
Wow. Menzi, damn.
Yeah, I'm so surprised. Menzi. Was he trying to throw us off?
Oh, whoa.
Why did Menzi do that? I'm so concerned. Why did you do that? What the fuck?
The skates are off.
Dibuloi. That could never happen to South Africa.
It's your team.
Ah! Ah!
No fucking way! No fucking way!
Fuck this guy. And he continues his slippery sliding. Look at this motherfucker. He's enjoying himself.
This is definitely Illuminati.
Huh?
Illuminati.
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 You already say Illuminati.
No.
No, leave Nutty out of this.
Those are two very contrasting videos from Menzi.
Yeah, that was
one
dope.
is like
it's like a video, but it couldn't happen in South Africa.
One is like a positive one, and the other is like people dying.
I'm gonna let the rollerblade go. You're gonna watch it go next to you, saying shh.
Oh,
of course.
Like someone who will steal it, be like, yeah. Rollerblade.
That was great. Freaking great episode.
MicroWave Boy is going to be taking part in Game
Nation, son. TGF 2018. Hashtag what?
Gaming Forum.
Next Friday.
Yes. We're going to put details out on our page as this episode drops.
Yeah.
But if you guys want to get a 50% discount to that Gaming Nation.
For all the gamers, you know what it is. All games, bro.
It's a TV game.
Yeah. You like
I'm just talking about Tetris.
Yeah.
And people who play, what's that other game?
Batman.
What's that famous game on the phone that everyone likes with the blocks?
Candy Crush.
Candy Crush.
Yes. I'm not talking to Candy Crush people.
We're talking about gamers.
So you're not talking to our minister.
Oh, you're talking to the cabinet?
Yes, aka our minister. Not people, actual gamers, but like PlayStation, but
even me,
Xbox.
Even me, I love gaming. So if you want, even if you want to challenge me at FIFA, make sure you catch this place. I know a lot of niggas been out there saying, Larry, we can whip you in FIFA, and I'm like, nah, you can't whip me in FIFA. So you know what you need to do? Game Nation TGF 2018.
And here's their Twitter handle, the Game Nation. Follow them for more information, and then you guys
meant to put
we're gonna give you guys a discount code when this episode drops in the comments. 50% discount code in the comments, and then you guys can go use it.
28th of March.
28th of March.
2018. Guys, our favorite part of the week.
And I'll be celebrating my 25th and 2nd week. 25 in 2 weeks. Then.
Our holiday of the week is
brought to you by
Shama.
By the good people.
Okay, Shama, come join us. Show your face again and say who your heart is.
This guy loves this.
I think
Shama loves
MicroWave Boys episode 49 Hurry of the Week, brought to you by Shama is Shama.
Yes.
These guys got me a date from this episode. Thank you so much.
Yeah, anytime. Yeah, who is this?
Who's the hottie?
The Hurry of the Week goes to Dumi Links.
Dumi Links.
Dumi.
And her handle is here, as you can see right now.
Yeah.
She is a, what does the bio say?
Oh.
She is a
She is a personal blog.
Mommy.
She is
brand ambassador. Ebony here. Brand. Enjoy my page. Twitter. Dumi_links.
Okay, picture number 1, looking absolutely breathtaking.
She's amazing.
Let's press play more.
Hang on, Lindsay's busy talking to us here.
Yo.
Oh boy.
Dumi Links.
She looks like a dream.
Boy. Like a macchiato.
Quality is long remembered after price is forgotten. Which is so.
She's saying
that's a bad quote.
Money is not a thing.
I don't like the image.
It's not about the money. It's not about the money. It's about love.
Oh God.
Is this still her?
Is that her in dreadlocks?
Ebony.
Jesus.
Ivory.
It's Ebony.
Left together.
Wow, guys.
Yeah, man. I
Big shout out to be the visual brand ambassador of Dreadlocks.
Ride my bone.
Brand ambassador of Dreadlocks.
Of Ebony hair.
Ebony.
Yo.
Hey. What? Hey, you see now? Now it's getting real.
I love this pose. Huh?
Boy, I love it so much. I love it so much.
Girls,
I love this pose.
This is our pose. Eh?
Wait.
Wait, I want you guys to see show them our pose. Come guys, show them.
Climb on the stair. On the chair.
They're gonna break them again.
Did we break
this is our pose, guys. You see this one? See this one? We see this one here. This one here? Where you can see.
No, she's better. She's
And
better.
then sometimes they stretch the leg out.
Just shift your hip.
And
You
then
see the fast. So
and then,
ass, and then there's the
and then also here in the face, you see. So it's like I'm showing you all my goodies in one. She's dating cash flow.
Cash flow, but quality though.
Oh no.
His name is Cash Flow.
Yeah. Cash flow no. Gotta say the whole thing. Like, tribe name quest. Tribe called quest.
Yeah, episode 49.
Yeah, she's amazing.
She needs to stop lying and then
Is it about her or the boyfriend's money?
Yeah, she needs to stop lying.
Anyway, that's it for episode 49. We out of this bitch.
Yeah, we out of this bitch.
Oh, by the way, subscribe.
Yes,
subscribe.
We're about to hit 11,000 subscribers, so subscribe. I need to pee.
Episode 49.
I'm in my car, yeah. 180 on the dial, I'm in my car, yeah. I'm in my car, yeah. 180 on the dial, I'm in my car, yeah. What would it take for